Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain second year's commerce partnership accounts. This is one problem of partnership. This is going to come for 20 marks. Compulsory question. There is no choice for this. This is the fourth question, sixth problem in your textbook. Vasu and Dasu are partners sharing profits and losses equally. Equally means here ratio will be 1:1. Whenever you find equally, you should calculate according to 1:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March was as under. So liabilities are given, assets are given. So in liabilities, what we are seeing here is general reserve is there. We know that general reserve is nothing but the profit earned before by the old partners that are distributed by old partners. And this side we find new thing here. In asset side we have profit and loss account. Asset means what is there with you in the form of cash. So profit, it is a profit that should be distributed among old partners. They decided to admit Mr. Sonu from 1st April 2020 on the following conditions. Sonu shall pay 1,25,000 as capital for 1/4 share in future profits. Sonu shall pay 30,000 as goodwill. Machinery be depreciated by 10%. Building to be appreciated by 20%. Provide for bad debts at 6% for debtors. So this is the adjustments. With this adjustment, with this balance sheet question, you are going to prepare partnership accounts. Now we are going to do partnership accounts. First you have to draw revaluation account. In this, changes in assets and liabilities are being shown here. So revaluation account, debit side and credit side is there. As you do ledger account, the same way you do this revaluation account. Here you have to see adjustments. Here machinery be depreciated by 10%, so you should take two machinery. Depreciation side is debit side, depreciation account. Building to be appreciated, appreciation side is credit side by buildings account. Provide for bad debt is a liability, so it will be shown in debit side. Provision for bad debts 6%. Now we have to see machinery value is 50,000 and 50,000's 10% is 5,000. I already explained you how to calculate. Then buildings 20%, building amount is 70,000 and 20% is 14,000. 7,000 plus 7,000, 14,000. Then provide for bad debts 6% on debtors value is 40,000. 40,000 into 6 by 100. So 0 get cancelled. So 6 4s are 2400 is the answer. Then this side is more. So 14,000. All adjustments are over. From machinery, building, provision for bad debts we took. Now we should balance the account 14,000. Here the total is 7,400. So from 14,000 remove 7,400. 006. So here 13 minus 6, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 6. 2 Vasu's capital account and 2 Dasu's capital account. According to ratio you have to give equally. So 3,300 and 3,300, half. Then next account is cash account. Same ledger accounts. So you have to see asset side 15,000. So to balance brought down 15,000. Then Sonu is bringing 1,25,000 as capital and 30,000 as goodwill. So both you should take here. To Sonu's capital account 1,25,000 and to goodwill account 30,000. So total 1,25,000, 30,000 and 15,000. 10, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1,70,000. So you should write here by balance carried on 1,70,000. So 1,70,000, 1,70,000. Next account is goodwill account. Goodwill account. Goodwill is coming in the form of cash. Sonu is bringing goodwill in the form of cash. So by cash account. So goodwill amount is 30,000. So it is distributed to two old partners, to Vasu's capital account and to Dasu's capital account. 30,000 half is 15,000, 15,000. So 30,000. Now collectively I am doing partners capital account. Partners capital account. So in one account only we are doing 3 different accounts, as we do in the class also. The same way in your material differently it has shown, but we can do in this way also. Particulars and Vasu, Dasu and Sonu. Particulars, Vasu, Dasu and Sonu. So first we have to take by balance brought down. What is there in your question? Capital side Vasu, Dasu, this amount you have to take in balance brought down. So 1,20,000 and 1 lakh. And Sonu is bringing cash, so you are writing by cash in his account to 1,25,000. Already given in the question, you can see 1,25,000 I am writing here. Then by, in the question you have general reserve 20,000, it should be distributed among both. So general reserve account, so 20,000 half is 10,000 and 10,000. It should be given only to old partners. Then one more is there here, profit and loss account 5,000. It is in asset side, so we have to take it in debit side. To profit and loss account 5,000 half is 2,500 and 2,500. Then by revaluation account, whatever you got here while doing revaluation profit, that you are showing here 3,300, 3,300 and 3,300. Then goodwill, you should give goodwill also to old partners, distribute. So goodwill also we did here 15,000, 15,000 and 15,000. So all entries are over, we took everything. Here liability side only general reserve is there. Profit and loss, sometimes it will be in liability side and sometimes it is in asset side. If it is in asset side, you should take in debit side. If it is in liability side, you will take in credit side. Now it is in asset side, that's why I took it in debit side. This is debit side and this is credit side. Now you should add this 1,20,000 plus 10,000, 1,30,000. 1,30,000 plus 3,300 plus 15,000. 3, 8, 4, 1,48,300. 1,48,300. So here 1,10,000, 1,25,000, 1,25,000 plus 3,300. 3, 8, 1,28,000, 1,28,300 and 1,25,000. So now two balance carried on. From this total, what we got, from this total remove 2,500, you will get balance carried on. So 1,48,300, 1,48,300 minus 2,500. So 0, 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5, 1,45,800. So write down here 1,45,800. The same way you do here also. 1,28,300 minus 2,500. So 875, 1,25,800. 1,25,800. So here nothing is there, so as it is, it will come 1,25,000. Then you will do balancing with the same amount, whatever you wrote here, the same thing you are going to write here, 1,28,300 and 1,25,000. So this is a partners capital account where we took balance brought down from previous question. And then cash account what Sonu is bringing while joining, and general reserve it is there in balance sheet liability side, you are distributing according to old ratio. Revaluation account already we did here and we have distributed the profit, that amount you are taking here, and goodwill also you are distributing according to ratio, that is half. Here profit and loss is in asset side, that's why I took in debit side. 2,500, it is 5,000, it is divided among two equally. Then from this total when you remove this, you will get balance carried down values, and this will be the capitals of partners. Now we are going to do balance sheet account. Balance sheet. So here there is no debit and credit. Here you will have liabilities and assets. This side is liability side and this is asset side amounts. So what is there in the question you have to take. If any changes are there, according to changes you do it. Creditors, see the question. See here, creditors, outstanding expenses, general reserve will not be taken as because we have taken in profit and partners capital account. So here I am taking creditors 20,000. Outstanding expenses, no changes here, so as usual we will take expenses 10,000. General reserve will not be taken. General reserve will not be taken because it has been given to old partners. Now capitals. Capitals what Vasu, Dasu and Sonu, what we did here in partners capital account, what balances we have found, that balances only you will write here. 1,45,800, 1,25,800 and 1,25,000. Next, asset side. See the question again. Cash at bank is there. Cash at bank. We did cash account here. In our second account we did carried down is 1,70,000. You take 1,70,000 here. Then sundry debtors. Sundry debtors, there is no provisions. Provision is there here. So 40,000 minus 2,400. So 37,600 you will get. Then stock there is no change, so as usual you take 80,000. Furniture also no changes, so take as usual 10,000. Machinery, there is a depreciation of 5,000, so 45,000. And building there is an appreciation of 14,000. 20% 14,000, so it will be 84,000. And profit and loss is distributed, it will not come. So over. Now you have to add this. So 1,70,000, 37,600, 80,000, 10,000, 45,000, 84,000. So 0, 6, 9, 10, 16, 1, 9, 10, 13, 14, 14, 22, 25, 32, 2, 3, 4 lakhs 26,600, 20,000, 30,000, 1,45,800 plus 30,000, 8,571, then 1,25,800, 6, 1, 11, 1, 8, 9, 10, 1, 3, 1,25,000, 6, 6, 2, 4. So our balance sheet is tallied. So here in balance sheet we are not going to do anything, it should tally by itself. So while I have added here, we got 4,26,600, same thing you got here, 4,26,600. So our problem is over. If you do all this, you will get 20 marks. Thank you.